Welcome to the forefront of modern agriculture, where we explore how these million-dollar custard apples are grown and harvested for global markets. The massive harvest requires seamless coordination as refrigerated trucks transport the freshly picked custard apples.
Welcome to the future of agriculture. Today, we'll explore the massive fruit harvest of our custard apples and how these million-dollar...
Welcome to the modern orchard. Today, we'll explore the massive fruit harvest and how these million-dollar goods are made. To ensure a massive fruit harvest, we apply organic compost using this modern spreader machine.
To ensure maximum yield, the custard apple orchard utilizes precise drip irrigation, delivering water directly to the root system.
Make sure the emitters are facing up. Got it. This section is secure.
Keep that spool moving slowly.
Here in the nursery, the young custard apple saplings are carefully transferred to larger pots, ensuring a strong start for the modern orchard. Once the pits are ready, the young custard apple saplings are carefully transplanted by hand, a vital step for a successful harvest.
Here in the main orchard field, workers meticulously hand-plant the young custard apple plants.
Here in the modern orchard, the first irrigation cycle uses a precise drip system, essential for the growth of these million-dollar custard apples.
The initial irrigation cycle is critical. Here, a precise drip system delivers water directly to the custard apple roots, minimizing waste. Between the mature trees, a precisely controlled pesticide mist is applied, safeguarding the million-dollar harvest.
We monitor the schedule closely to ensure the custard apples receive the exact mix required for this growth stage.
In a modern orchard, custard apples require controlled pesticide spraying to ensure a massive fruit harvest for the factory.
This schedule precisely delivers the required nutrients for the custard apples at each growth stage.
To ensure the highest quality custard apples, vigilant pest monitoring is essential. These traps...
In this modern orchard, growing million-dollar custard apples requires constant, careful pest monitoring. In this modern orchard, the million-dollar goods start with meticulous tree pruning, a vital process for cultivating the perfect custard apple.
The flowering stage is critical. Here in the modern orchard, the distinct greenish-yellow petals signal...
The flowering stage is crucial for the custard apple, requiring careful observation in a modern orchard.
The process begins with these small, developing fruit branches. The early formation of the custard. This meticulous process of fruit thinning is crucial for maximizing the yield of high-quality custard apples. Here we see the early stages of the custard apple. Careful cultivation ensures these small green segments.
Now we adjust the liquid fertilizer ratios
We have to be very precise with the nitrogen and potassium levels at this stage.
To grow the highest quality custard apples, we closely monitor the irrigation cycle, ensuring controlled water delivery directly to the developing fruit. Drip irrigation is crucial here. We monitor the cycle closely during fruit development, ensuring the custard apples get a precise amount of water.
Here we monitor for the first signs of fruit fly or mealybug, logging any findings immediately to ensure a healthy harvest.
Pull the net tighter on the left. Okay, I've got it. Watch the branches on the right side.
Ease it down slowly on that end. We need to tie it off securely before the wind picks up.
We use these calipers to ensure the fruit meets the exact size requirements before harvest and log the data immediately.
During fruit maturation, precise soil moisture readings are crucial. We analyze the data right.
The controlled fertigation system ensures the trees receive their final nutrient boost. This precise application is crucial just before the harvest begins.
This final nutrient application is critical before the harvest. The controlled fertigation system ensures the custard.
The visual ripeness monitoring stage is crucial. Here in the modern orchard, we carefully inspect the custard.
Visual ripeness monitoring is crucial. The technician checks the color and the slight opening of the segments to determine the perfect time for the massive harvest.
Here we examine the custard apples for optimal ripeness, checking the firmness of the skin and the overall texture before they are approved for harvest. Pre-harvest quality inspection is crucial. We carefully check the firmness and external texture of the custard apples. Remember the standards on the clipboard. We are looking for consistent size and color for the factory. Ensure the fruit is mature, but still firm.
We need to maintain efficiency and quality. The factory requires this exact level of ripeness. Look for the creamy yellow color near the stem before you pick.
Using specialized shears, the workers meticulously snip the custard apples from the branches, ensuring a clean cut for the million-dollar crop.
The custard apples are carefully placed into ventilated crates to prevent bruising during transport.
The harvested custard apples are carefully placed into ventilated crates, ensuring the delicate fruit remains undamaged for transport to the factory.
This is where the preliminary sorting happens. A diverse team efficiently separates the premium custard apples from...
Preliminary sorting is a critical first step. Workers meticulously separate the damaged fruit from the premium-grade harvest before it heads to the factory.
Once picked, the heavy crates are brought to the digital scales. This ensures accurate tracking of the massive harvest before processing.
Súbela con cuidado.
Aquí está la siguiente. Ponla aquí.
After harvesting, the custard apples are brought to the weighing station. Here, each crate is logged, like...
Stack that one right there, next to the yellows.
Got it. How many left on this pallet?
The journey from the orchard to the packing facility is a critical step in bringing these custard apples to market. The receiving inspection is the crucial first step to ensure only the highest quality custard apples move to the packing line.
These custard apples meet the export standard.
Yes.
Good yield today. Record the weight and move them to cold storage. The harvest begins at the packing line intake, where fresh custard apples are carefully emptied from crates onto the main conveyor belt. High-volume industrial fans rapidly remove moisture from the freshly washed fruit, during this crucial surface drying stage.
Here, the freshly washed custard apples enter the surface drying stage. Powerful industrial fans rapidly
Jerky grading line is the heart of the operation, sorting the delicate custard apples by both size and weight before they are packed for shipping.
In the secondary sorting stage, workers efficiently allocate the medium-grade custard apples into these crates.
Here at the quality control table, inspectors meticulously check for surface defects and ensure perfect ripeness before the fruit is packaged. Here in the secondary sorting section, the medium-grade custard apples are carefully selected and allocated to local market crates.
Here at the grading conveyor exit, the premium export-grade custard apples are separated. Here at the grading conveyor exit, the premium export-grade custard apples are separated.
The conveyor system moves the fruit through a pressurized water tunnel, ensuring maximum cleanliness before packaging.
Here at the grading conveyor exit, the custard apples are sorted. Only the finest specimens are selected for the high-value export lane. In this modern facility, the air drying stage is crucial. Massive industrial fans quickly Once harvested, the fruit undergoes rigorous sorting and grading along this high-speed conveyor system.
After sorting, the custard apples move to the automated labeling station, where robotic arms precisely apply barcodes for tracking.
Once harvested, the fruit is quickly moved into these state-of-the-art cold rooms, ensuring perfect ripeness for the market.
Once harvested, the custard apples are carefully packed and loaded onto refrigerated trucks for transport to the factory.
Following the massive fruit harvest from the orchard to the distribution center. This is how million-dollar goods are made.
According to the planogram, this section is correct.
Yes, they look retail ready.
From the meticulous harvest in the sun-drenched orchard to the high-speed sorting in this massive facility,